This video is for Chapter 3, Section 3.1, Math Activity 3.1, Numeration and Place Value with Base 5 Pieces. In this activity, we're going to explore whole number numeration. We'll use base 5 pieces for a fresh look at numeration concepts and to help us develop a deeper understanding of numeration systems. We'll use base 5 pieces, which are a unit, a long, a flat, and a long flat. In question 1, we explore these pieces and ask you to make the next bigger piece. What are the numerical and geometric patterns that you see? What shapes do you see? How many pieces are in each piece? Then in question 2, we talk about types of collections. We have two collections here with the same number of pieces, 36 units. But collection 1 has less pieces. In fact, the minimal number of pieces for 36 units in base 5. So this is a minimal collection. I have those examples here. I have collection 1 with 36 pieces, and I have that same collection here. But when I join collection 2, you can see that I get my minimal collection, and I can't trade these up to other base 5 pieces. So this is my minimal collection. So we're asking you for question 2 to take these numbers of units and determine what minimal collections there are and fill out a little table. For example, if I gave you the number 187 units, I could have 25, 50, 100, 150, 175, 180, 185, 186, 187. Notice that if I join, I get my long flat. So my minimal collection here would be one long flat, two flats, two longs, and 2 units. In question 3, we look at how you denote these things. So if we have 3 flats, 2 longs, and 4 units, we would record this as 3, 2, 4 base 5. And so in question 3, we ask you to sketch some base pieces and then also determine the total number of units in each collection. Notice the words I used, 3, 2, 4, base 5. I don't use base 10 words here. 300 would be incorrect. That's a base 10 word. So for example, if I want to determine the number of units in 3, 2, 4, base 5, I have 3 flats, 2 longs, and 4 units. That's 3 times 25 for the flats, 2 times 5 for the longs, and 4 for the 4 units. I can add those up. 3 times 25, 75, plus 10, plus 4, and get 89. Then finally in question 4, we ask you to sketch the unit and then the other first 4 base 3 pieces. So trying to think outside of base 5 and into base 3. And then we ask you a couple of questions about base 3 pieces. I hope you have fun with Math Activity 3.1 and start to understand numeration and place value.